Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine the word count in your Google Doc. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then you want to go and select word count. At this point, it'll give you a breakdown of how many pages are on your document, how many words, characters, and characters excluding spaces are included on that document. You can also display word count while typing by checking that box in there and hitting OK. At this point, a little word box will appear down at the bottom left corner. So, kind of a neat feature there if you want to have that display. Otherwise, you can select hide word count if you get tired of looking at that after a while. So, there you have it, a pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope this helps you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.